Installing the light version of Clobe Visitors Classic. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section in the search window, enter Clobe Visitors, select Clobe Visitors-Lite, the classic OSM or Land-Cover version, click Install. Then activate Go to Settings, left panel. In the Settings drop-down window, click Clobe Visitors. The plugin settings window will open. Copy the shortcode and paste it into any page of your site. Important: the light version displays visitors only to the page where the shortcode is installed. Usually this is the main page of the site or the most important for you. If you want all visitors to the site to be taken into account and displayed all pages, you need to install the full version.